Welcome to the Dinosaur Land! We're going to draw and paint a gorgeous T-Rex. A kind of friendly, smiley T-Rex. I think so. So just drawing those lovely sharp teeth. Ooh yeah, I'm the T-Rex and I'll eat whoever is next. Ha ha ha! Those lovely claws. Ooh, look at that. The tummy. The leg and the foot. And the other one. This T-Rex is going for a walkabout. Some triangle shapes on its back. And ready to paint. We're going for a vibrant green colour, a dinosaur green colour. Absolutely perfect for Mr. T-Rex. Using a very small tipped paintbrush to carefully paint around those scary snappers and around the triangle patterns on the back. Lots of care to be taken here because there's lots of black lines that we have to stay in between. Careful with the detail. So take your time, no need to rush. You can always pause this video. The arms and hands and the legs and the feet. Excellent. You're doing a great job. Keep going. Brown we're going to do for the claws. Toes and fingers, of course. There! Let's go for yellow now for our lovely tummy. A yellow belly. All the way to the end of the tail. And going for a darker green for the triangle pattern on his back. It's great to use different shades of the same colour. Always looks good. And there you have it, keeping those scary snappers white. Ready for his next meal, he's going walkies! T-Rex.
subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!